Hello guys, it's Ukrainian Souls.
Today we are in Ukrainian village one more time. We visited our granny. I love village. I love to work in the village.
Today is gonna be a rainy day, but still we have some work to do, and I hope that we'll manage to do at least something.
Привет!
Guys, please check my t-shirt. It says that this belly is not made of beer. Something like that. It's
Yeah.
not the result of drinking beer.
It's very dirt because my dad loves this t-shirt and he mows the grass all the summer in this t-shirt.
There is no actually a dress code in the village. That's why I don't care at all.
Guys, it's raining. I'm going under my umbrella because our camera doesn't like water, unfortunately. But still, I want to tell you that it's the beginning of a deep autumn in Ukraine, and today we have the 5th of October, and look at our garden. Here, if you remember, the last year we collected some apples, but I don't see any apples here for now, only here, like small apple tree, and we don't have quite a lot of them. Yes, and one more apple tree there. Okay. At least I understand that we don't have much work with apples today, but we do with walnut trees, because maybe you know, maybe you don't, but in Ukraine it's quite common type of village business to collect some walnuts, and then my grandma just cracks them. You also can see that from our previous experience in previous year, and today we're gonna pick them with this, I would say, nasty weather, because it's the worst weather I can imagine. Look, it's raining, but at least it's not cold today, but it's raining, it's drizzling, and everything is wet. You see what happened to our raspberry field. So no raspberries. Yeah, the raspberry season is closed. Now my mom will demonstrate to you why she needs a stick, because actually walnuts are hidden under the leaves. It's not the funniest weather to pick these walnuts, but still the weather forecast says that it said that previous weekend it would rain and it rained. This weekend it rains and it rains, and the next weekend it's also gonna be rainy days, so we're doing that today. I'm going to the second Ukrainian soul. How are you, Ukrainian soul? Guys, we have worked and we're drinking coffee. So again, coffee transportation. My mom made this coffee break for us with my grandma. So those are some cookies, with chocolate, and some candies. Actually, if you have any chance to taste this candies, they are, oh gosh, they are super tasty. They are called Charm, if you're interested, but I'm not sure if they are sold abroad. They are super tasty. And it's my grandma's garden. She also grows a lot of chrysanthemums. The garden of my father's mother. And actually I like chrysanthemums very much. Look, those are just like snowballs. And she sells them at the market. Look, this is so nice. Oh, I adore this. Those are my favorite flowers, and actually we have finished all of the work that I told you we were supposed to do. And Artyom is a little bit sick. He has some higher temperature and also a runny nose. And you know, this feeling when you just start to have a flu and this dizzy condition of your head. Yeah, and weakness in body, that's all of his symptoms. That's why he didn't participate almost today in this video.
It's all harvest that we collected. There is around 10 bags, and all of them we are going to break and just sell the nuts. Our granny likes to do that in winter. By the way, you may check how dark it is outside. Just finished the work, so it's taken the whole day in the village. Yep, and there is completely dark outside, so we will get prepared our bags and we will move back to our city.